Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a planner unboxing and also like set up my planner with me. So I'm a little late to the game on getting a planner for the year. I know it's already February, but I was like looking for a good planner. I was trying to look in person to see if I could find one. I did have a Happy Planner for the last 2 years, but my local Michael's like didn't have any, and I was like, might as well switch it up to something like just a little bit more basic, a little bit more me. And so I was looking online and I found STIL Classics right here. And it's a Canadian company, which I love to support Canadian small creators and Canadian people because I'm Canadian. I'm from Prince Edward Island and they're from Vancouver, so completely different coasts, but I thought I would support them. And it just kind of seemed more in line with what I was looking for. I found Happy Planner is just a little bit too busy for me. I don't even know if I have my old Happy Planner here, but it was like really big and I was like just looking for something a little bit smaller, just a little bit cleaner looking than the Happy Planner. So I thought I would do a little unboxing. I covered up my address here, so I just thought I would just get right into the unboxing. But yeah, so basically January I was traveling. I was trying to get back into the year, and anyway, it took me about 3 weeks to find a planner that I liked. I ordered it and it took about, I think like 6 or 7 days to get here, which is pretty good considering I live on an island. So I'm just opening this up and I'm going to switch my camera angle just so you can see what I'm seeing. Okay, so when you open the box, you have this little card here, which basically just like thanks you for ordering. And then next, these are some of the stickers that come with the planner. So you have like important, reminder, appointment, goals, meetings, to do, working, all that kind of stuff. So those are super cute. I love the color scheme. It's very me. So, and then here is the insert. So this is like the main page here, and then all of the planner stuff is in here. And then next, this is what like the binder thing looks like. So just on the back, it's STIL times Kaylee May. So yeah, this is what this looks like. I love the color and it seems super good quality. And then finally in the bag, or in the box, we have this little like ruler slash divider kind of thing. So, okay, so to unbox this, so this has a nice little snap on the front. Then you open it, and I think you can take this part out. I don't really know how to take that out, so I'm just gonna leave that for now. But as you can see, there's like little gold rings here, and then there's stuff that you could like put stickers or pens or like extra notes and stuff in there. So that's what it looks like. Feels like super nice quality, so that's good. And then I'm just gonna open up this paper. Okay, so I'm going to open up these rings. Then I'm just going to put this right in here. There we go. And then there we go. So that's what that looks like. And then basically it's just like your intro page and then like a note. Oh, there's even like a little playlist if you want to play while you're setting up your planner. I'm not going to do that because I'm filming, but that is so cute. So yeah, so there's like all this information. There's like a rituals, oh, it's hard to see, rituals and routine section. To be productive, I want to focus my energy, I'm choosing to feel, sleep routine, morning rituals, evening rituals, and then there's like bills and subscriptions, quarterly, annually, monthly. That's all really cool. And then it goes right into like the monthly thing. So it's all dated, goal setting for each month, and then like a weekly plan. So that is so cute. So obviously because it's February, right now when I'm filming it, it's February 7th. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go through my planner and I'm just going to start off with January and just kind of go through and like put all of the important pieces of information in there, like my paychecks, like any important dates, things like that, just so I can look back at like the whole year when I need to. Like anytime I post on YouTube, TikTok, like all that kind of stuff. So just because I want to plan out my social media, and then I'm gonna go into February and like put the stuff in that I need to for February. But so far, like it seems really nice. The only thing I do wish is that the paper was a little bit thicker just compared to my Happy Planner. That's like the only thing that I'm not loving. But what I do love is like if you can see here, like each day how it's laid out, I really like with like the little to-do list circles, because I'm a to-do list girl. I love to like check it off, continue on, and I like how it's like laid out. I like how simple it is. And I just think that that part is super nice, and I love the goal setting section, but my only complaint right now is the thickness of the paper, but everything else is super high quality. Like the way the pages turn is really nice. The only thing is like I'm a heavy writer, so that's one thing that will be a little bit difficult, but like it's so cute, and like I feel like I could like bring this to the office and it's just like looks nice, but it's not too big that I couldn't like put it in like a big purse or like my backpack that I bring to work with me, because I work half at home, half in the office. So I just think that it's super cute and minimal, and that's what I was looking for. But yeah, so I'm going to input all my information that I want to, and then I will be back. So now that I've kind of put in all the details that I can think of right now, like between January and then I started doing February, just kind of adding in like a few details here and there, like shifts that I work, if I have to go into the office for a certain day, and obviously like I'll add more in as I know them, but I don't really want to put anything out like too far, just because like I don't know, you know, you never know, plans can change. So I kind of just did up to this week. So like I put in like any YouTube content that I wanted to film, like any TikTok content I wanted to film, got a haircut this week, like just kind of like done things like that. The shifts that I'm working at Sephora, just kind of included those. So yeah, so far I really like it. I think I prefer whenever I take like open the planner and like take out the specific page that I want to write on and then pop it back in after, instead of like trying to write around the binding. So I kind of figured that part out. Paper is actually thicker. You can definitely see through from one page to the other, so maybe I just need to write a little bit lighter. But so far I actually really like it. The paper is better than I thought it was going to be, just by feeling it versus like writing on it. But yeah, I definitely won't be able to use like any of my markers, I don't think. Probably just like black pen is probably all I'm going to use with this. And then I could like use my little stickers if I wanted to, but I'll probably save these and use them as I need them. But so far, I really like it a lot. I think it's super cute, very minimal. Like I could bring this to work and like, I don't know, it just looks like professional and like, you know, business girly. I like the clasp at the front, and it like seems like more protected this way, and I just think it looks classy. I don't know if you've ever seen it's like Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen. They did a movie, New York Minute, and whatever one it was, like the one that was more like businessy, organized, she had a planner that looked just like this. So I don't know, I think it's kind of cool because I loved that movie when I was a kid. I still love it. But yeah, this is what it reminds me of. It's a very niche reference, but it's a wonderful movie, and yeah, I feel like this looks like it. So anyway, but yeah, that is everything for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and yeah, I will leave the link to buy one of these down below if you are interested. So far I really like it. This is just kind of like a first review. I bought this myself. They did not send it to me. why would they? But anyway, I really like it, and I love planning and organizing and that kind of thing. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this, and I will keep you updated if I still continue to like it. But so far, I really like it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!